the knee tap speed skater squat. This is one of my favorite unilateral exercises, and it's on the more advanced level. Now, you should already have somewhat good ankle mobility, and you should already have progressed into at least 2 to 3 variations of split squats and progressions to a speed skater squat using the back leg as help before you attempt the knee tap only speed skater squat. You're going to, of course, just set up by picking one leg up. As you go down, you're going to want to bring the unsupportive foot close to the butt, because we're not actually going to put that foot down on the ground. We're only touching the knee to the ground. As I go down, I'm gonna lean forward a little bit. This is why you have to have some good ankle mobility, because that knee is going forward. You're just gonna touch the knee to the ground and come back up. Now, if you've just barely gained enough strength to be attempting this, you might want to use a pad for your first time. Just be aware if your pad's about 1 inch thick, you're basically shortening your range of motion about 1 inch, but that's perfectly fine. We're just exercising here. If you're using a pad, just set it next to the supportive foot. Bring that, you can have your hands wherever you want them. If you want them out for balance, that's perfectly fine. I usually just hug the hands together. You're gonna go down, tap the knee to the pad, and come back up. So in case it's not clear, we are not putting the whole leg down on the ground. You can do that. I just consider that a different exercise. That's more of a progression to the full knee tap speed skater squat. I call it speed skater squat using back leg as help, which is an outstanding exercise on its own, especially in gaining that strength out of the bottom position. So we're only putting that knee to the ground and come back up. If you're strong in this exercise and you can control those bottom positions, you don't need a pad. Go ahead and just slightly tap or slightly kiss the ground with that knee. You can alternate or do them all on one leg until you're ready to switch. That's it. Hope you enjoy this exercise. Let me know how it feels.